Good morning, all of you. This is Rajesh Khanna, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, I explain my topic, the fourth unit, that is the computer aided quality control. So, what is the introduction about this one? Means control aided quality control. So, the quality control function has traditionally been performed using manual inspection method and statistical sampling procedure. So what is the manual inspection? First of all, what is the manual inspection and what is the statistical sampling? First one, manual inspection is generally a time consuming procedure which involves precise at monotonous work of often requires that parts be removed from the vicinity of the production machine to separate inspection area. This causes delay and often constitute a bottleneck in the manufacturing schedule. So what is next one? What is the statistical sampling? It produce procedure is acknowledgement of the risk that some defective parts will slip through. Indeed, statistical quality control attempts to guarantee that a certain expected or average fraction defect rate will be generated during the production inspection process. The nature of traditional statistical quality control procedure is that something less than 100% good quality must be tolerated. So next one, there is another aspect of the traditional quality control inspection process which detract from its usefulness. It is often performed the fact the measurements are taken and the quality is determined after the parts are already made. If the parts are defective, they must be scrapped or reworked at a cost which is often greater than their original cost manufacturing. Next one, objectives of computer aided quality control. So these are there are five objectives are there. First one, improve product quality, increase productivity in inspection process, increase productivity. Fourth one, reduce lead time. Last one, reduce wastage due to scrap or rework. Next one, what is the terminology? So what is the terminology of the quality control? So the quality control in a manufacturing context can be defined as the degree to which you produce its components conform to certain standards that have been specified by the designer. The design standards generally relate to the materials, dimension and tolerances, appearance, performance, reliability and any other measurable characteristics of the product. Next one, quality assurance. These are the very important topics. What is the terminology of the quality control? So quality assurance is concerned with those activity which will maximize the probability that the product and its components will manufacture within the design specification. These activities should start in the product design area where the designer can make decision among alternatives that might have quality consequences. Quality control activities continuous in manufacturing planning where decisions related to production equipment, tooling methods and motivation of the employees will all have an influence on quality. Next one, quality control is concerned with the activities related into inspection of product and component quality, detection of pure quality and corrective action necessary to eliminate pure quality. These activities also involve the planning of inspection procedure and the specification of the gauges and measuring instruments need to perform in inspection. The statistical quality control is generally divided into two categories. First one, acceptance sampling and control charts. Next one, types of inspection methods. So in these inspection methods, two types are there. One is the contact method, second one is a non-contact method. So what is the contact inspection method? First one, contact inspection method. The contact methods usually involve the use of coordinate measuring machine, means CMM. Most of these machines today are either controlled by numerical control or computers. The coordinate measuring machine is the most prominent example of the equipment used for contact inspection of position is the most prominent example of the equipment used for contact inspection of work parts. It consists of a table which holds the parts in a fixed register position and a movable head which holds a sensing probe. The probe can be moved in the three directions corresponding to the x, y and z coordinates. During operation, the probe is brought into contact with the part surface to be measured and three coordinates position are indicated to high level of accuracy. In this contact inspection method, today, coordinate measuring machines are computer controlled. The operation of the machine is similar to numerical control machine tool in which the movement of measuring probe is either tape control or computer control. Program and coordinates data can be downloaded from a central computer much in the manner of direct numerical control. Also similar DNC, direct numerical control, is the capability to transmit data from the CMM back to the host computer. Next one, next topic. In this, in the some physical dimensions of the part and so contact methods widely used in manufacturing and production industries to access metal parts and for electrical circuit. That is the first one, conventional instrument, coordinate measuring machine. Next one, stylus measuring machine. In conventional measuring instruments, so types, first one scale, next one gauge bars, slip gauges, vernier caliper and screw gauges. Coordinates measuring machines. Present I explain this one, x and y and h coordinates. So this is the diagram of the, this is the diagram of the contact inspection method systems. You see this one. So main structure. The machine incorporate the basic concept of three coordinates axes so that the precision movement x and y and z dimension is possible. Each axis is fitted the linear measurement transducer. The transducer sends the direction of movement and gives digital display. Accordingly, three may be four type of arrangement. First one is the cantilever. So what is the cantilever? The cantilever construction companies easily access the access and relatively small floor spaces requirement. Next one, bridge type. Next one, column type. Next one, gantry. These are the four types. Fifth type also available, that is the horizontal. Next one, non-contact inspection. What is the non-contact inspection? The non-contact inspection method utilizes the sensor located at a certain distance from the object to measure or gauge the desired features. The non-contact inspection technique can be classified into two categories. First one is the optical, second one is the non-optical. So optical divided into three types again. That is the first one machine vision, second one scanning laser beam devices, third one photogrammetry. Next one non-optical device, again divide in three types. That one is the electrical field techniques, radiation techniques, ultrasonic. So first I am explain the optical systems. So what is the optical system? So in optical system divided three times. First one is the machine vision scanning, second one laser beam device, the next one photography. So in this case scanning laser beam device. So scanning laser case device. So scanning laser beam device relies on the measurement of time rather than light, although a light sensor is required in its operation. Okay, the segmented diagram of its operation is pictured. A laser is used to produce a continuous thin beam of light. A rotating mirror deflects the beam so that it sweeps across the object to measure the light. Sensor is located at the focal point of the lens system to detect the interruption of the light beam. As it is blocked by the object, the time lapse corresponding to the interruption of the light beam is measured to determine the desired dimensions of the part. Typically, a microprocessor is programmed to make the conversion of the time lapse to a dimension value and perform other functions such as signaling and automatic parts rejection mechanism to reject defective part from the line. This one is the scanning laser beam device. Some advantages are non-contact inspection methods. Advantages. So first one is the to usually eliminate the you need reposition the work part. Non-contact inspection is usually much faster than contact inspection. Third one, it eliminates mechanical wear encountered with the contacting inspection probe because it eliminates the probe. Fourth one, it reduces potential danger to people who must touch hazardous material if contact inspection is used. Next one, it removes the possibility of damage to the surface of a part which might result during the contact inspection. Next one, machine vision. So what is the machine vision? The other name is given to these systems included microprocessor based television and computer vision. The typical machine vision system consists of a TV camera, a digital computer and a interface between them function as a preprocessor. The combination of the system hardware and software digitalize the picture and analyze the image by comparing it with the data stored in memory. The data are often in the form of a limited number of models of the objects which are to be inspected. There are several limitations of the machine vision. Okay, next one, this one is the machine vision process. machine vision process. See this one. Next one, imaging process analysis. A number of techniques have been developed so that data produced during the first phase of machine vision may be proposed and analyzed. These general techniques are called segmentation. So image process analysis techniques. So see the block diagram table, general category, subcategory, description. So this is the quality computer aided quality control. Thank you.